seen quite a couple of young people actually put in the chat about knowledge for young people, in particular about a stop and search and the rules and around that and what rights they kind of have in those kind of situations.
So, yes, stop and search is a really contentious law because we basically have a power to stop and search people in the community where we have reasonable grounds, and that's important. Where we have reasonable grounds to suspect that perhaps they may have something with them that might cause themselves or others harm, or perhaps that they have on them in order to perhaps commit a crime as well. What I have told our officers who undertake stop and search is that they must use their body-worn camera whenever they undertake stop and search, okay? So if they are stopping and searching somebody, they must record it. And what happens is that we then have an independent advisory group that actually dip sample some of those body-worn camera images. So yes, so basically my advice is to you, engage with officers. They will only stop and search if there's a need. It's recorded and we check and test it.